Mitch's World of Woods, brought to you by Surrey Timbers Limited, suppliers of local and exotic hardwoods. Special thanks to Bernd for supplying me with a sample. Queensland Maple, 3 varieties of flindersia with very similar properties. Brayleyana, pimenteliana and laevicarpa. This hardwood is a native of North Queensland and Papua New Guinea. Mature examples can reach 30 metres with a breast height diameter of about 1 to 1.2 metres. Grain is often interlocked, occasionally wavy or curly, has a medium texture. The heartwood is pale brown with a pinkish tinge that is lost with age. It has a noticeable lustre to it. The bark is rough and grey-brown. It has glossy green leaflet leaves and small white flowers with 5 petals. It has moderate bending and crushing strength, low stiffness and impact resistance, is poor in steam bending, dries poorly with significant shrinkage and distortion, has moderate dimensional stability. Heartwood is fairly durable above ground. My sample proved to be very tough. Specific gravity averages 0.69 for laevicarpa and 0.55 for the other two. It's fairly easy to work with hand or machine tools as long as you adjust the cutting angles for the interlock grain. It has a medium blunting effect, chops and bores okay, nails and screws okay, glues and stains okay, and polishes to an excellent finish if grain filled. It's used in quality cabinetry, furniture and joinery, for gun stocks, in boat building and oars, for turnery, plywood and for decorative figured veneers. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! If you've got some wood that I haven't covered yet in this series, then I'll be very pleased to include it, and if you send me photos of what you've made with it, I'll include those too.